Hallo, Katrin here with European Paper Crafts in the US. Welcome to my channel and thank you for stopping by. Today I have miniature cards for you. So let's get started. When I traveled to Germany last fall, I brought back these 3D sticker sheets. And I just love them. They are so beautiful and I think they are a good value too. So let's see, these sticker sheets are 7.5 inches by, let's see, sorry, by 5 inches. So 7.5 by 5 inches. And I have them in packs of 10 and there are many different ones. So I'm going to show you one pack so you have an idea what you can find in here. So it's a variety of these 3D stickers. They are already layered. They're already embellished, sometimes with a little glitter, sometimes they already have bling on it. There are smaller images, there are bigger images, and all you have to do is just peel them off and add them to your projects. So this is really easy and quick. Anybody can do it. They're all in individual bags, and like I said, every sticker sheet is different. So beautiful poppy seeds, poppy flowers, vintage embellishments, flower vases and blossoms. Here we have cute owls with lots of spring blossoms. Yeah, so there are so many different ones. You can check them online, the different packs that I have available. And I thought, what am I going to do with these, right? I did want to use them because I really fell in love with those stickers because they look high quality. They're sometimes smaller. So I thought I'm going to make miniature cards, which I will share with you in a minute. But yeah, those are these packs that are available at my stores. I will link them below. And now let me show you what I have created with those. So I like to have thank you notes on my hand. I have them at work. I'll always take a stack to work. I like to add them to orders that come into my shop. When I get a present, when somebody does me a favor, I like to give little thank you notes. And these are very small cards. So let's see, they are 3 by 3 inches. 3 by 3 inches. And what I have done here is I used, first of all, 6 by 6 papers. Because if you make 3 by 3 cards, 6 by 6 papers are perfect. Because from each 6 by 6 paper, you can make 2 cards plus an envelope. With the envelope maker from VR Memory Keepers, you can use these sheets, the 6 by 6 sheets, to also make matching envelopes. So I grabbed all my 6 by 6 papers that I haven't used in a while, and I started making a lot of thank you cards. And here they are. And what I have done is, so as you can see, it's a 6 by 6 paper here. If you have cardstock, of course, it would be a little sturdier. But, you know, any 6 by 6 will work because it's not a full card. It's just a little thank you note. Then sometimes I embellished it with something I had laying around. And then I used one of the stickers from these sticker sheets. So here, for example, we have this beautiful bodice with rose on there. And then I added a thank you note. So this is a stamp I had. I used a little bit of color around it. So I kind of outlined it with a stamp pad to make it vintage looking, and then edit it. So I have now a cute little thank you note, and I can just scribble something in there. Now they fit in these envelopes, like I said, and you can make them from 6 by 6 papers as well. And here is another card. I used just a little strip of leftover borders that I have laying around. Here I used a thank you sticker. And then here is this beautiful embellishment. And you don't really need anything else because the cards are so small. And then here I have a double-sided paper. And this comes from this paper pack we had last year from Prima. And it's called With Love by Frank Garcia. And I still love this paper pack, and I used it a lot, so you will see it. I still have a couple in my store because I think that's absolutely gorgeous, especially now where Valentine's comes around and for weddings. So I used this paper pack because I had it open. But if you're interested, I'm going to link it below. So yeah, so what do? So you make these little cards, and they are very quick. Now, let's keep going here. Here is another one. Just a little bit of a doily cutout. It's not even the full doily, just a piece, and then the embellishment. And because it is layered, it immediately looks really nice. I stamped first all the thank you little strips, cut them, and then added them. And now I have these cards. Here is my next card. I added 2 embellishments. Here is one sticker, and then this little flower was another one, and I added it to this little flower pot, which is actually on the paper strip I had left. I don't know how you have it organized in your craft room, but I have all my leftovers from all these cards that I make, and I collect them in a box, and that box gets bigger and bigger and bigger with all snippets and pieces. And this is a great project to use up some of these little pieces that you have laying around, but you can't really throw them away because your heart is still attached to them. Here we got those cute little owls, added a butterfly. Thank you. This time is from a sticker sheet that I carry in my store. There we go. So I made all these cards in a matter of a couple of hours. You know, this was then assembly. And it was quick and it was fun because, as you can see, each card is a little different. Look at this beautiful lady's head here. And the glitter that's on there, it's already on there. So I did not use any additional glitter. What you see here is part of the sticker. And we have more. Look at this cute purse. And another thank you. So all I did is I add a little bit of glue on this side and on this side. I curled it before I glued both ends, and didn't glue it flat, but with a little bit of space in between, so it looks vintage. So I have all these cards. I made a bunch of envelopes that are matching my cards, but there's more. As I said, you have smaller and bigger stickers on these sticker sheets. So I also made a few mini slimline cards. Again, I used up my 6x6 papers to make these mini slimline cards that are 3x6, and added some of these beautiful stickers. Here I made a thinking of you card. You can see it as a stamp, and I inked it a little bit to give it this used vintage look, and then added another flower here, and of course my beautiful paper from one of my paper packs, a border, sticker border, and then a punched butterfly. And here, same thing. I have this card blank, is this Frank Garcia With Love paper pad that I have used. This one is double-sided, so you do have the inside, but I always put a panel in there for writing. And then I had this cutout here that I had embossed. Didn't use it. It was for a different project. I didn't use it. So I used it on this card. Added, I added some of 2 little stickers with flowers, and then a happy birthday. And here is another Slimline card. I got another one, and here we have hugs and kisses, which is also a stamp. So I still have my stamps out. Well, the happy birthday is not a stamp. This is from a sticker sheet that is available. And here, beautiful flowers in a crystal vase. And I added a butterfly, but they come together quickly. And don't they look beautiful? Look at this, thinking of you. Just added a border. This time it's a bigger border sticker, half a doily. This beautiful embellishment from the sticker sheet, and then an extra couple of flowers. And again, no extra glitter is needed because it's all already on there. And even the little button is on there. Thinking of you is always a great greeting for all kinds of occasions. And I made another one. As you can see, plenty. Happy birthday. So here I have this busy background paper from the Frank Garcia paper pack. So here you can see this is the 6x6 sheet. And since it is cardstock, these make really beautiful cards. So I love this. And it's already collaged. It has this collage look before you even start embellishing it, right? So here is this card. I added an extra strip of paper, all the stickers. I outlined it with the glitter sticker, and then added some flowers and a happy birthday, which is also from a sticker sheet. But I just really love how they came out. And here is another one, thinking of you again, and flowers and a flower corner. And here the thinking of you is a sticker which I carry on a sticker sheet in my store, and I just added it on some vellum paper and also arched it over my card. And each card has a writing panel in there and has a matching envelope, and these will be up for grabs. I have them in my store available. If you're interested, you can purchase this 6-pack on for a discounted price. So here I want to share with you how these 6x6 papers look when you cut them with the VR Memory Keeper envelope tool. So here I already have them ready because I'm going to make more cards. I know this. And I used the 6x6 paper pack. You can, of course, use 12x12 papers, and then you get 4 envelopes out of each 12x12 paper. So that's also a great idea if you have 12x12 papers that you don't use. Then why not use them for envelopes? And if you don't like the design at all and it's a one-sided paper, then just use the other side and make white envelopes. It's I think it's worth it to use up the papers that you have. And here I made a few more cards. Now, if you don't have stickers, you can use anything you have. So I just want to show you. I make these envelopes. These cards are a little bit bigger because the 6x6 papers make this envelope that fits a card that is 3 1/4 inch in square. Okay, so they're just a little bit bigger. And I made a bunch of those too. And here I tell you what I did. I just grabbed my big box with all these extra things in there and just made collages. So this is not from the sticker pack that I just shared with you. This is just from my stash. And I know that you guys have stash too. And if you want little thank you notes on hand, why not use up your pretty papers and embellishments? So whole bunch I like to share with you. Just stuff that I had. See, I had this little bit of bling left, so I added it to this card. here. And the cards are not always from the same paper pack as the envelope papers, but you know, it matches if you find similar colors. What I have done here is I used a picture from an old calendar. In the back, you always have the 12 months laid out so you get a preview of what the pictures are all about. And this is what this is. And I cut it out and added it now to this card and have a little beautiful thank you note. But it has this cute picture on there, which was once a calendar picture. Other calendars maybe have beautiful images that you can fuzzy cut. And that's what I did here. I had this calendar that had for Valentine's Day in February all these beautiful cocoa cups and cookies. And what I did is I just cut out the little embellishment, added a flower, and isn't this cute? I cannot throw away my calendars either, so I keep them. If there are beautiful images on there, yes, you can use them. And I think in a couple of weeks or so, I'm going to show you another project where you can use your beautiful calendars for card making. And I think, yeah, that's something that I have never done before. So just so that you can stay tuned, I'm working on it right now, and these cards turn out beautifully. But here, this little one, isn't this cute? Same here. This actually was from a chocolate pack. I got this chocolate in Germany, and on the packaging, it had this beautiful picture because it was strawberry chocolate. So I couldn't even throw away this paper. So I cut it out, and now it became a card topper. And then here I had a cupcake and a couple of little roses. And little pieces of paper you always have. So I know if you keep your scraps, then I know you have a lot. And why not make these cards? So there's a whole bunch here. And one more thing I wanted to share with you. When I worked with these projects here and I made these envelopes, I have, this is new to me, I have this bone folder, right? And this is from VR Memory Keepers, but it is a small one. And I really like it because it sits nicely in my hand. It's not just a stick. So when you fold your envelopes, you have this whole, you know, you have a better grip on it. So this is my favorite tool now. And I thought you may like it too. And I have it in my store. So if you are interested, this is VR Memories Keepers, and it's the small bone folder. So this is all I have for you today. I hope you feel inspired to use your small papers, your 6x6 papers, and make some cute cards. If you like this video, I would appreciate if you give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment. But this is all I have for you today. Thank you for spending time with me. Please stay or get well and happy crafting. I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.